queens, and everyone in between. It's your girl Grace, and welcome to my channel Gracefully. In my last video, I did a video about the banding method on wet locks, and I feel like the results were just okay. So this time, this video will be on the banding method on dry locks, and we will see how that turns out. Also, as a special bonus, I'm going to do an 11-month lock journey update. I can't believe it's been 11 months already, and I am so excited. So before I get started, I want you to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. All right, everybody, so the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair, and I have this Cantu natural sulfate-free shampoo that I am going to use. So I lather it really, really good. And rinse it out. All right, now that I finished washing my hair, I like to squeeze the water out gently, not too hard. I just squeeze it a little by little. And then another thing that I do is I shake my hair while I'm in here. So I go just a little bit. To get it to drop down. And then I have this right here, which is my 100% cotton t-shirt. 100% cotton will make sure that I will not have lint in my hair. So I just do that and I dry my hair with that. All right, so my hair is currently towel dried, or shall I say t-shirt dried, and I have a few errands that I need to run. Yes, we are currently amidst COVID-19, so there's not too many places that I can go, but I'm going to go to the grocery store, and then I am also going to do a little bit of laundry, take a little bit of a walk, and hopefully by then my hair will be dry. If not, I'll get the blow dryer out. So the next time I see you, my hair should be fully dry and we will begin the banding method. I finished running my errands, and I'm so happy to say that my hair is totally dry, so I do not have to use a blow dryer or anything like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my Cortez rose water. It's a Lebanese rose water that I put into this spray container, and I'm just going to spray rose water all over my head. Not to make it too damp, of course, especially since I already dried it, but this is really good for your hair, so that way I can have some moisture locked in. And then the next thing, I have the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration finishing oil serum, and I'm gonna spray this all throughout my hair as well, and I'm also gonna spray it in my scalp. And I'm just gonna spray this all over my head. So now that I sprayed my hair with the rose water and I sealed in the moisture with the oil, I am going to go ahead and start doing the banding method. Like I said, this time on dry hair. So I am going to do probably about 6 sections, maybe more, maybe a little less, we shall see. But what I learned from the first time that I did this, that the way I band it is how my hair is gonna lay down. So I'm going to make sure my first section will go this way, so that way my part is still intact and my hair won't just be going this way and that way. It'll fall the way that I want it to. So I'm gonna take about this much, and make sure when you band, you do not do it too tight because we don't want to cause breakage. And I'm only gonna use 2 hair ties per section. So you see that? Then I'm gonna take one more hair tie. And do it like this. And for those of you who wonder, what is the purpose of the banding method? Well, I am doing this method to help elongate my locks. Sometimes when I wash my hair and just go about my day and if there's a lot of humidity outside, sometimes my hair does shrink. And it used to do this when I had naturally curly hair. And so I always wanted to try it with my locks, and it seems like it works. So here I am. All right, as you see, this is the second section. And I'll just start from where I left off. And go here. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to turn around to the back so you can see how it looks, how I band it from the back. So. There you have it. My hair is currently all banded together, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. Last time I did 6, this time I did 8. And one thing that I made sure that I did was at the end, I made sure I just tugged a little bit down, so that way they'll fall down and not be too bulky. All right, so I'm wrapping my hair up right now. I'm gonna try to put my hair behind my ear to make it easier for me to wrap. And I actually have a video about scarves and bonnets, and although I have my hair banded, so of course it won't lay down as flat. If you wanna see step by step how I tie my hair up with the scarf or with the bonnet, you can check out that video, and I'll make sure that I put that video at the end of this one so you can check it out if you haven't seen it. All right, so I have my scarf on. As you see, it's a little lumpy right here because of course it's banded, and I am hoping that I will get a great night's sleep and that it will not be too uncomfortable. I'll make sure to let you know. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to take this scarf down, and we will remove the ponytail holders from the bands. I'm going to start in the back. So I'm very excited to see what happens, if it stretches or not. And as I'm taking these out, I want to let you know that I have a music video coming out very, very soon. And I am filming the video. My only issue now is that because of the coronavirus, they are requesting that we do not go to our locticians or beauticians or stylists, whatever you call it, for health reasons, because they don't want people spreading the virus. Because there are a lot of people that are symptomatic, which means they may have it, but they don't show symptoms, and they can pass it along to people and get them sick. So because of that, I have to make a decision on what I'm going to do in reference to my hair. And I just might try to do a retwist myself. So with that said, I want you all to stay tuned and make sure, like I said before, to hit that notification bell. That way you will know when my next video comes out, and you can see whether or not I decided to retwist my hair myself. So we shall see. And I'm almost done. Alrighty, and one more to go. And as you remember, I did this to the side because I wanted to have the side part this way. Also, I wanted to make a note that yes, I use 2 bands for mine. Depending on how long your hair is, you may use 3, 4, 5. So this is what it looks like right now. Turn around for you. All right. And of course, as always, I am going to oil it and spray it. I'm going to spray it first and then oil it to seal. All right, so I'm going to spray my hair again with this rose water. I like to spray it day and night. It's really good. All right, now I'm going to use this African Pride Moisture Miracle with castor oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And we're gonna see how it works. Okay, well, one thing, let me tell you, it comes out pretty fast, so don't be heavy-handed like I just was. Actually, what I may do next time, since I see how fast it comes out, I think I'm gonna put the oil in a spray bottle. That way I can get more of a even saturation. Alrighty. And it smells amazing. I can definitely say it smells really, really good. Alrighty. So the next thing I'm gonna do is what I always do. I'm gonna put my scarf on. I'm gonna lay down my edges, get dressed for the day, and I will show you how it turns out and what I think about the banding method on dry hair. All right, now it's time to see how my hair turned out. Let's see. Alrighty, so it looks like my hair is a bit more stretched. I also see where it has a little bit of crinkly bends, and it's probably from where I tied the ponytail holders around, and so I might have did it a little bit too tight, but I kind of like the waviness a little bit. Let's take a look in the back. And see how that looks. Now, if I'm 100% honest, I really don't see such a big difference between me doing the banding method on wet hair than as opposed to me doing it on dry hair. It's pretty similar. I did lay down my edges with the aloe vera gel, and I'll put that information in the description. But like I said, I'll go ahead and do an 11-month update now. All right, it's time for the 11-month update. Let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, I have so much new growth in my hair. All right, let me turn around. Now you probably can see a lot of the new growth back here too. Look at all of this. All of this new growth. So it is definitely time for a retwist. It's been almost 2 months since I've had a retwist with Jeff. And like I mentioned before, in reference to the COVID-19 Corona pandemic, they are advising people not to get their hair done at a salon. So I have to figure something out. So my hair is still getting much firmer. It's still budding. As you see, along with the budding, it's kind of curly as well, because my hair texture is a more so curly pattern. So like I've said in the past, it gives it personality, and I really, really do like it. As you see, the length, it is getting longer, which I'm happy about. And I do think the fact that I did the banding method has helped to lengthen it out some. But to be honest, without me even doing the banding method, it looked like it was getting much longer after I washed it as well. Let me turn around again so that way you can see the length from this way. is the length right now. So it's definitely getting a lot longer. It's also thickening up some more, so, which is a good thing. I do like the way it's currently framing my face, and I must say I'm like really excited about getting locks, and to be at this point at 11 months, I am very happy. And 1 year is coming up very, very soon, and that's gonna be great because I want to go back to memory lane and take you all back from the beginning. But if you're just joining me, you can also go and take a look at my playlist. I have a lock journey playlist that will show you my hair from day one, from the first time I got started locks up until now. And so you'll see me with my big old curly fro up until 11 months. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. I hope it has been informative, and I will ask you to please subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and as always, remember, there is no such thing as a box. Let's go get it.